Hello, everyone. Today we have a quick session on how to divide a number by 9 using addition, not division. You would like that, I hope. Well, I remember a few years ago, well, not few, many years ago, when my oldest daughter was still in elementary school and they were starting division. I was always fascinated with the number 9 that I I know many of you learned how to multiply a number by 9 easily by just setting numbers or counting on your finger stuff. But I said there must be a way to do it also for division, not just multiplication. Why just multiplication? Multiplication is the inverse of division. So if it works for one, it should work, or something should work for the other. So I started practicing doing some problems, and then I stumbled over how to really perfect it. First of all, let me ask you if you know how to decide whether a number is divisible by 9 or not. I think most of you already know. Just you add the digits, and if the digits are divisible by 9, their sum is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. So let me write down a number, let's say a three-digit number that its digits add up to 9. I usually use her birthday, which is April 23rd, because 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9, but let's pick something else. So let's say I have 513, and I want to divide that by 9. Of course, that's easy, you can do it. But what I'm saying is the method I shouldn't say discovered, but I stumbled upon um, is use only addition. No subtraction, no multiplication, no division, just addition. So the first thing you do is to check if the number is divisible by 9, right? 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is a single 9, right? I just found 9. And because I found only one 9, I write 1. Meaning, if these add up to 18, I would write 2. If they add up to 27, I would write 3, and so on and so forth. So you write how many 9s found in the sum. Then you hide the ones digit. You get 51, so you write 51. Then you hide the tens digit. You only have a 5, so you write a 5. Since if you hide the hundreds, there is nothing left, you know you're done. So you add them up all, you get 57, and that's the answer. Let's check quickly. Never take my word for it. You always have to check. Okay? 57. Now let's take a four digit. Maybe you say this is easy, so let's take something more complicated. Let's say 6435, for example. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 5 is 18. 18 is two nines, right? So you write 2. Then you hide the 5, you get 643. You hide the 3, you get 64. You hide the 4, you get 6. You add them up. 6 and 4, 10, and 5, 15. 5 and you carry over 1. 6 and 4, 10, and 1, 11. 1 and you carry over 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. So the answer should be 715. Let's check. 6435 over 9. Bingo. It's correct. I hope you like that. That was a short one for you. And I hope to see you soon in another one of these tricks that may be helpful to you. Thanks and have a great day.